Hello. Welcome to the sticker shop. Hello. Welcome to the sticker shop. Hello, everyone. Take two. America. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the sticker shop. Today, we're gonna do something. Hello. Welcome to the sticker shop. In the past, we've done shows, kind of like a talk show, where Danny Papoon and I, and sometimes co-host John, we would talk about racing, stuff that happened around the shop. We're still gonna do stuff like that, but I'm also gonna try recording some of the stuff that I do around the shop, like today. And today I'm going to be designing some graphics for a customer. They got a new logo and they want to get some graphics done. So I'm going to be doing a time lapse as well as some other stuff. And okay, trying this again. See if it'll work this time. I have an order for some graphics for a KTM 85 that I'm gonna work on. And my mom is here watching, lurking in the back. Lurker, say hello, little mama. She likes to hang out with me. So today, hello everyone, take two. America. Now I'm going to take the design that I came up with and place it on a photograph of the bike for the customer to check out. So I'm going to show this process. somewhat. So, this customer, turns out he liked the old design better, so we're just going to stick with this one right here, and that one that I came up with, well, that's just going down the drain.